I've got a box here. I think it's from Sony. I think it's Spider-Man related. I'm not going to know until I open it up. So that's what we're going to do right now.
What's in the box?
And of course, as I expected, it is the new Spider-Man 2 edition of the PlayStation 5. Designed around, obviously, the Spider-Man 2 game that's coming out. What makes it different from the regular PlayStation 5, I think, is that it's got special custom panels on the outside. You know, the PS5 has the swappable panels, and it's got some custom controllers. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Pretty standard PlayStation stuff. Power cable, instruction booklets. Here's our first hint that there's something special. Spider-Man controller right there, regular PS5 controller, but with some Spider-Man graphics on it, very cool. And then this should be the actual console. Oh yeah, that's nice, look at that. So there's the front side of it, and here's the back side of it. Standard PS5, but these front plates are actually replaceable. There's a whole bunch of different colors you can buy and patterns you can buy for your existing PS5. They have just shipped this with these new panels, and if you're careful, you can actually pry them off and replace them with different colors or swap them with the ones from your original PS5. So that's what comes in the special Spider-Man 2 PS5 package. You've got the PS5 console with the custom Spider-Man plates on it. You've got the one custom controller, you just get one of those. And because it's a special package, you also get a download code for Spider-Man 2 when that comes out later this year. And that is what is in the box in the new Spider-Man 2 edition of the PlayStation 5.